In this video, we'll be talking about setting up your Mailchimp integration. So to start, we're first going to come down to the Marketing tab, and all the way on the right-hand side, the Mailchimp tab. We'll want to go ahead and enable Mailchimp. And now please note that before starting this setup, you will want to have created your Mailchimp account already and create a Mailchimp audience list. Once those are created, you can come back here to GoPrep. And if you click on Find Your API Key, it'll actually redirect you over to an article by Mailchimp showing you exactly where you need to go to get that key. They even show you this handy little video, and you can just copy and paste that key back into here. And then the same concept for Find Your List ID. Just go ahead and click that. It'll bring us to an article by Mailchimp where they outline the steps to get your list ID. And again, you just want to copy and paste that over here. Now, if this is your first time setting this up and you already have some customers existing in GoPrep, you'll want to click the Add Existing Customers to Mailchimp. You could also click Add Leads to Mailchimp. And then moving forward, anytime a customer creates an account and places an order, they will automatically be added into your Mailchimp list. So you can go ahead and continue with your marketing emails as always, and it'll always be up to date with your most recent customers.